Guys, ito, JCL projector to for the Nissan Kicks. So ito, we installed already. Ito yung may high-low Nissan Kicks. Ito yun, napakalakas for the Nissan Kicks. So make sure, pag dinala nyo sa amin yung Nissan nyo, meron kayong fog light. Hindi namin siya pwedeng kabitan ng fog light kung walang fog light. So kailangan natin may fog light, ha. Then i-upgrade natin siya. Projector fog light, ito yun. Mahina kasi ilaw, ito built-in. Hindi natin pwedeng galawin, hindi nyo magagalaw, hindi nyo ma-adjust. Ito, i-upgrade natin. Ayan, projector fog light. So yan yung malakas nating fog light. Ayan yun, no? Napakaganda. So installation is 20 minutes. Ito color white, we're installing it. This one is yellow yung for the Nissan. So projector na to, dati meron din kaming LED lang, which is more cheaper. This one is projector. So plug and play with 1-year warranty. Wala tayong puputulin. Napakalakas. So send us a message, we'll make a reservation. Terra, Nissan, Navara, Terra, Nissan Kicks. Patrol, basta square yung ilaw, pwede. Thank you.